So you guys can. Hello, everyone. All right, we're going to go into linked genes very briefly here. Watch in your book, the unit on linked genes, you can really get stuck in the weed. They talk about map units and how to measure them. And what I'm going to ask, just to kind of make this unit a little easier, shorten the content, is I have just made the linked genes into you understanding the definition of what it is, which is right here. Linked genes are pairs of genes that tend to be inherited together. They are also genes, so by definition, they're inherited together. And in order for that to happen, the genes have to be close together on the same chromosome. So if you look, A and B, genes A and B, are close together. They're only 6 map units, and map unit is the unit that we use to measure the distance between genes. So A and B are 6 map units, so we would say these two are linked, meaning even if crossover occurs, they're gonna cross over together. They're gonna go at the same time. Now let's look at D and E. We would say these are not linked. They're 52 map units apart. So an interesting kind of thing for me when I look at this is that I used to, when I really didn't understand what linked genes meant, I thought if genes were on the same chromosome, it meant they were inherited together, and that's not the case. In order to be inherited together, they need to be close together on the same chromosome. So linked genes are inherited together, and basically they won't separate during meiosis unless maybe crossing over will occur, and they're far enough apart that they will get separated, okay? So here's your again, your book talks about measuring map units. The Drosophila lab gave you some exposure to what linked gene, not the Drosophila, the Sordaria lab from, I believe that was the last unit, gave you some exposure to what linked genes are and map units. So we're just gonna kind of take that as basic understanding. And this is your test question. So this is how in-depth you're gonna be held accountable for. What is the reason that linked genes are inherited together? I'll give you a second to look at it. If you want to pause and answer it. Let's look at these answers. A, they are located close together on the same chromosome. That sounds really good. The number of genes in a cell is greater than the number of chromosomes. I don't even know what, I mean, that's true, but that has nothing to do with this. Chromosomes are unbreakable. Well, we know that's not true. Alleles are paired together during meiosis. Again, not the reason this is, it doesn't answer this question. So the answer to this question is A. Okay, hang on. So I'm gonna go ahead and pause, and I will lecture later about mutations.